I ain't never need a nigga money cause I make it. But if that nigga wanna pay a bill, I'ma take it. I live a lot of zeros, but I don't fuck with no losers. Two type of people in this world and I'm a chooser.
Hey y'all, we're back with another video, and this time we're making some lip gloss. Today we're going to be making our White Mocha lip gloss, and first I'm starting off with the color, and I'm going to be mixing those together. This is a bowl with some oil already measured out, and behind that, that's a bowl of some gloss base. I'm going ahead and putting it in our brown and then a good amount of our white because this is a light nude brown, so I need a lot more white in order to get the color that I'm looking for. And here you just see me mixing it together. I'm gonna go in and add some more white every now and then just to achieve the exact color that I'm looking for. Soon I'm gonna be releasing a lip gloss recipe book, so I'm gonna start measuring these things out so you guys can get the exact recipe. Okay, so now that we got that all mixed together, I'm going to go ahead and pour in that mixture. And I use Ready Gloss base, so this base is already mixed with coconut oil and vitamin E oil. That's why you did not see me use a lot of oil to mix these colors together. And I only use a certain type of oil so it doesn't make the lip gloss too thin and runny. So now we're going to go ahead and add in the scent. I'm using Get Sucker. That's my favorite place to shop for my scents. And this is White Chocolate Mocha. It's like a coffee type of scent. It's very strong, so I only used about 4 to 5 drops. I don't try to overpower the lip gloss, but I like to put enough that you can actually smell it still. And it goes perfect with this type of shade. So then after that, we're going to give you a little swatch. You see the pigment. I'm really that girl. Don't play with me, okay? Don't play with me. But yeah, so after that we're gonna fill up some tubes and that's it. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill a couple squeeze 2-in-1 tubes. After dropping this, I had to pretend like it didn't really bother me and keep filling, but I was so annoyed. Like, why would you do that when I'm recording? Really? And here we have our final results. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know which gloss you'd like to see the process of next. Bye!